There are many software image enhancers using AI, but I've found most are only available as a monthly or an annual subscription. But it's refreshing to be able to try a buy for life application that actually does what it says it can do, with the added advantage of being very quick at it as well. The app's called Aiarty and is available at $99 for a lifetime copy. Most image enhancers that I've looked at, that's up till now, simply overdo the sharpening to give that cartoon look to images, but this is not one of those image enhancers. The Aiarty Enhancer has 3 optional enhancing modes that either give you that highly sharpened image, suitable for line drawings or cartoons, or there's a softer enhance to give a more realistic result, and also an enhancer that gives a true photographic look. And as well as enhancing, the software also can upscale images 32 times from the original. But I could talk on forever. But what you need to see is the proof of an actual enhancement. I'm using a Mac Studio M1 with macOS 14.6.1. I'll drag a high quality face image into the window and select the real photo model, which is designed for high quality images in a photorealistic look. I'll ask it to upscale 2 times and start the enhancement model. Looking at the image side by side, the original on the left and the enhancement on the right. And now with the slider to see the details in the eyes. Next, I'll select the more detailed model that increases the sharpening in the enhancement as well as deblurring and denoising. Using the slider, looking at the skin in the eyes. Next is selecting the smooth model that's designed to restore the original and to look better with hair. And now for something different, I'll use an image that's got a shiny surface and see how the enhancer handles the glossy look. I'll drag an image into the software's window. First I'll select the real photo enhancer model with a 2 times upscale. Now press the start button, and when the render's finished, I can compare the image. I have to say that speed of rendering is impressive compared to other enhancers that I've looked at. Which brings to mind an opportunity for me to publish a video comparing different enhancer software to evaluate speeds, among other things. And if you're interested in seeing a comparison video, pop a message in the comments below and I'll let you know when a comparison video is published. Or press the subscribe button with the bell to be reminded about more videos when they're published. I can compare the car's image now by moving the center slider. I can also look at side-by-side images by pressing the button above. And just look at the vast difference in the alloy wheel and from the grille, as well as the paintwork on the car. The image can be exported by pressing the Run button. And here's the exported image. And now it'll be interesting to compare the Aiarty exported image with some standard photo editing software. I've used Pixelmator Pro as a comparison. And here's the original image in the Pixelmator window. I'll select the Sharpen tool from the Tools memory, sharpen the image, and then export. And just a note, the Pixelmator sharpening is truly instantaneous. And here's the Pixelmator image. Now, the 2 images side by side, Aiarty image on the bottom. And you can see much more detail in the bottom image. And now I'll just show you another rather blurred images enhanced by Aiarty for your comparison of its enhancement process. I'll drag an image of the car's rear light into the window and select the more detailed enhancement model with a 2x upscale. And this is the more detailed result. Look how the glass detail is so much clearer, and also the reflection in the bodywork. Now I'll select the photo model, also 2x. Here's that result. Once the render for the 2x is completed, you can use that rendered result to see how it would look with no upscale, that's 1x. But it seems clear that the 2x gives a cleaner result. Just look how the reflections improved. The link to purchase Aiarty is in the description below. Use the QR code on the screen to go directly to the website. Thanks for watching.